For any fan of movies, television shows, or documentaries, there's simply no substitution for Netflix. As the leading streaming service in an increasingly crowded marketplace, Netflix continues to lead the way in streaming video, with new originals coming out almost every week and a constant rotation of legacy movies added to their library. You want to make sure your video quality is as sharp as ever by adjusting your Netflix settings. Here's how to do it. If you're trying to stream Netflix in your web browser, your smart TV, or a set-top box, you'll need a computer to adjust your settings. Head over to Netflix's website and log into your account. Then select your profile. These options sync to your profile specifically and not your entire account, so make sure you choose your own personal profile. Once you've logged in, drop down the profile menu in the upper right corner, then select Account Settings. To modify your video quality, look for the Playback Settings option under your profile. These settings are more or less exactly what you might expect. Our main focus is the option to control the resolution your shows and movies are shown at. By default, Netflix sets this to Auto on every profile in your account, meaning that the video will automatically switch based on the quality of your internet connection. If you're unable to support 1080p video, for example, Netflix will drop your resolution to 720p or standard definition. If you want to force Netflix to always show 1080p video, you can change this using the drop-down menu. Just keep in mind that to lock Netflix at a 4K resolution, you'll have to change your plan to premium. On your smartphone or tablet, Netflix limits your options and hides the Video Quality tab under a different menu. Open the app on your iPhone or Android device, then tap More on the bottom of the display. Look for App Settings, then select Cellular Data Usage under Video Playback. Here, you'll find 3 options for controlling your data usage on Netflix. Wi-Fi only disables cellular playback altogether. Save data lowers the quality of your stream on mobile, and maximum data streams the maximum quality allowed by your provider. You can also control the video quality of your downloads under the App Settings menu, either allowing standard or high definition. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to check out these other videos you might like and subscribe to Tech Junkie for all sorts of tech news, reviews, and top picks every day.